Good morning, guys. It is currently 10:08 and I'm eating some tacos de papa. So this video, as you see in the title, is I'm going to attempt to do shrimp boiled, but I'm only gonna be using, unless I can find it in a bit, all the spices except the Cajun seasoning. I did get this recipe from Pinterest, so I'll leave the recipe pictures with the ingredients here, and I have been seeing YouTube videos and how they're doing it and all of that. So yeah. But in a bit, Bev is sleeping, I'm eating, Nora's watching her show. But in a bit, once Bevis wakes up and he eats again, we're gonna go to the store, but I'm not gonna go all the way into town, like the big town, like the big city, Escondido. I'm gonna go into a little small store here where I live to check out if I can find that one seasoning and get some potatoes and other stuff and butter, because the only thing that I have for the shrimp boil is shrimp. As you guys know, Ash Wednesday passed already, and you're not supposed to eat meat on Fridays, and today is Friday. So I'm like, oh, why not try to do the shrimp boil? It is no meat Friday pretty much. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna attempt. I don't know what Mom's gonna be doing for her. I don't know how much shrimp I'm gonna be putting, but I'm gonna try to do enough just in case if they wanna try it. Also, the only type of shrimp I found was the small shrimp at Walmart. So I'm gonna see if I can find bigger shrimps here too, and we'll see. Also, I have never ever tried any shrimp boil, boiling crab. I have never tried it. I haven't tried it. The closest one here is all the way in San Diego, and I heard it's expensive as well. Don't mind the chicken, Max is chasing it. I heard it's expensive, and I heard it's bomb. So that's the only reason why I would go try it. But I do want to attempt to try making it myself first and see if I succeed or if I fail, if I like it or not. I heard it's bomb, so that's why I want to try it on doing it. And then I'll go ahead and try it at the restaurant and see if I like it theirs or if I like mine. So yeah, so I'm only going to be putting shrimp. If I find potatoes, then I'll do potatoes, because the only potatoes I have is the big potatoes. So I don't know if that would work. And if I find corn, like frozen corn, then I'll do corn as well. I'm not going to put sausage because, like I said, it's no meat Friday. You don't eat meat on Fridays after the Ash Wednesday for 40 days. So we're also on quarantine for that. That's only on Friday until the week of Easter, like the week before Easter. Then it's Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So yeah, I'm gonna finish my taco, and then once baby wakes up, then we'll go to the store. So if you guys want to stay tuned and watch me making it and see if I succeed or if I fail, just keep on watching. So I'm gonna start doing the shrimp boiled, and here's Bebe. He's watching the Muppets. So yeah, I'm gonna attempt to make it and see how everything goes. I bought these ones at Walmart yesterday, and they're the small ones, and they don't have the little skin over them anymore. So I bought 2 of them, so I don't know if I should do these ones. And like I mentioned, I was going to go to the store to get that Cajun. So I actually found it. I found the small one. So good thing I found one. I bought 2 because they're so small, so I got 2 of them just in case. I also got the minced garlic instead of like the actual garlic, and I got this butter, the Earth Balance butter. At this store, it's hella expensive. It's here in my town, and my town's like really small, and it's hella expensive. Freaking $5.99 for the butter. These little things, $1.99. This is the shrimp I got from there, and this is the one that has the little skin. $9.99. Hella expensive. And the minced garlic, $3.49. So I also got Nora her little wipes. She still doesn't wear makeup, but she gets wipes to cleanse her little face. She's not allowed to wear makeup until she's 15. 5 more years. And I also got these gloves, size small. Barrier from dirt and germs. So I got these ones. So yeah, I think I should just do these ones. They're not tiny, they're small, but they're not tiny. So I think I'll just do these ones, and then I'll do this one next time if I do like it. If not, then I'll do these ones for our list, because you can never, like, never go wrong with some chiles. So I'm gonna use these ones. I'm gonna put them here to water them down. So in the meantime, I'm gonna prepare the spices, mix them all together. Right, so these are the things I have. I have the Cajun. Like I said, I got 2 because in this store was the only place I was able to find them. I have the paprika. I have the Cayenne. Sorry if I'm pronouncing every single one of them wrong. Yes. I have the chili powder, lemon pepper, like I said, the minced garlic, and Old Bay. So the seasoning is just the powders that I showed you, and also measuring thingies. So yeah, and the butter for later. So yeah, I got this bowl, and have my laptop right here because I'm gonna be watching a video as well while doing it at the same time. See how they're doing it and how like I mentioned, I have never tried shrimp boil from Boiling Crab, so this is my first time ever trying anything like it. And yeah, let's give you a taste test. Like I said, I follow the recipe right here, and also I followed a video, so I'll link the video down in the comment below. So far it tastes good. You want to try it? Come and try it, Nora. Da picosito como te gusta, pero no tanto. Está hot. You like it? Ya me puedo casar. It is bomb. I did add the in the last clip. I did add the corn on it.
¿Sabe cómo cómo se llama
Camarones a la diabla? Pero nunca has probado los camarones a la diabla.
No, como el que
Dame un tenedor, please. It's bomb. I will try it with the big shrimps next time, and I'll try to add corn, papas, and all the other ingredients.
and you add the other grapes, I
But
want to
it's
try
bomb.
it.
Do you want a little bit on a plate?
Yeah.
Dame un plate para darte.
No.
Como que ya uno chiquito, hondo. But it's bomb, guys.
Like this one?
Si quieres, ahí. I'm gonna give my sister some, and my mom will be back home in a bit from work, so I'm gonna have her try it, and I'll record her reaction. Okay, así o más.
Así.
Agarra un tenedor. So I'm just gonna eat a little bit because baby's almost gonna be tired. I ended up using the whole little bucket of butter, so no te comas lo demás es garlic. So
Oh, el garlic.
las borrenitas que se ven allí es garlic. Nomás cómete el arroz y el corn y camarones.
Okay.
It's pretty bomb. I'll add the measurements also of how much I put in it. So, yes. Hi, Mama.
Ándale.
Hi.
Tamaño risotto, pues poquito. Está bien hervido porque no quiero que huela, sepa ajo crudo, ni a pimienta cruda.
Tiene ahí ajos o...
¿Saben bien?
Es pura butter.
¿Por qué?
El líquido es mantequilla. So, para ti tendrías que comer poquito. Sería...
¿No sería mejor con un poco de arroz para que se especie?
Ya, así se lo comen. Arroz blanco al lado. Y luego ahí tiene las patas de cangrejo. Y luego también tienen estos cubes de elote.
Pedazos de elote.
Y papas chiquitas, de esas papas chiquitas, pero no hay. So, ¿ya me puedo casar?
Está bueno. Nomás le falta más añadiduras.
Ahí, para la primera vez me salió bien.
Pues ponle papas de ahí nomás para que las encuentro.
Y usé nomás un paquete, que compré 2.
Pues nomás para el experimento primero.
Ajá. Ya otro día hago más grandes. Ya me puedo casar.
Primero es el casamiento y luego el niño. No el niño primero y luego el casamiento.
Too late. ¿Así está bueno?
Sí.
Ok.
Pues Sara hizo primero el niño y luego casamiento.
Mom's approves. I'm gonna go put him to sleep.
Se queda.
So this is the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll leave all the ingredients down below. And yeah, if you guys want more cooking videos, more experiments, because I'm still learning how to cook. ¿Verdad, Ma? Que apenas estoy aprendiendo a cocinar.
Sí, ya también.
He sabido hacer mis frijoles con huevo. Sabido hacer mis frijoles con huevo desde que tenía la edad de Nora. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Diles, mami.
¿Qué?
Diles subscribe.
¿Mi qué?
Diles que suscríbanse a mi canal.
Ah, suscríbanse al canal. Para que vean las cochinadas que se le comen.
So if you guys want more cooking videos, let me know in the comments below. And if you guys enjoyed this one, give it a thumbs up and comment down below. Love you guys. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.